Hey you guys. Okay, so on this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your very own QR code for your business. Now, if you don't know what a QR code is, well, you probably already know what it is because they've been around for so long, but we're living in the pandemic days now, so they're being used more frequently. Every time you go out to restaurants, they have QR codes, and we just kind of hover our phone over it, and voila, the menu pops up. So I highly suggest these for businesses. I started using them in my own business, and I also put my QR codes on my papers for when I have meetings with my team. We create like a slideshow video for them, and then we put the QR code on the meeting, and then I just pass it out to the team. That way they can look over everything that I'm saying, everything that I'm talking about at my meeting, and they have a QR code video to watch once the meeting is over. They can take the paper with them and just scan the code and look at our slideshow and hear everything that I have to say, all the details and stuff like that. So it's really, really, really cool. I like to use these QR codes. I also use them on our flyers. Whenever our newbies come in, our new contractors come in to fill out an application, we give them a vendor application that has a QR code on it, and they can scan the QR code and see a slideshow video that tells them about our company and why they should be a part of our company, right? So I really like these codes. I think they're really fast, fast paced. You can just kind of get the job done. You don't have to look at type in a website or anything like that. We live in a microwave society, so everything is fast paced, and I'm a big fan of easy. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to click on out of here and show you how to create your very own QR code. Now, all you have to do is go to Google, and if you type in qrcodegenerator.com, this website will pop up. So you go to this website. It's actually a free trial for the first 14 days. Click on website right here because I want to add a website. So I'm going to click on website. I'm going to click on next. And then I'm just going to type in my website. Let's say www.tenacityacademy.com. And then I'm going to hit next. All right, so on this page right here, it allows me to choose the type of QR code that I want. Do I want this one? Do I want this one? It really doesn't matter, girl. I'll be picking any one of them because they all kind of look like codes. They kind of look the same to me. So I might change the color, though. You can go here and you can change the color. Let's say I want to do blue. And not only that, but you can put a logo on here, so I can click upload and upload my logo, and my logo will appear right there in the middle. Or you can just click on scan me, and you see scan me appears right there. Okay. Then after that, or you can click this one here. It's just a little bigger, scan me. Okay. And up here, it has different frames that you can use. See all the cool frames. You can use this kind, this one. Just pick the frame that you want and download. It is just as simple as that, you guys. It's just as simple as that. You can make as many QR codes as possible that you want to make. It's quick, it's easy, it's fun. I highly suggest that you guys use QR codes in your business, okay? So if you're thinking about using a QR code, you want to use a QR code, click the link down below. I made it very easy for you. It is free for the first 14 days, and then I believe you have to pay for pay. I'm not sure how much it is that you have to pay the site, but it's free for the first 14 days. Um, yeah, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell you guys about QR codes. You can put them anywhere. I'm actually thinking about getting a QR code and making a shirt out of it and putting it on my shirt and just be a walking talking marketing lady. I can even put it on, you can put it on your car, on your magnets of your car. Oh man, I love these codes. You'll be amazed how many people would just swipe. They would just scan that code just to see what it is, just to be nosy and see what it is. So if you're not using QR codes, I highly suggest you start using them today. Okay. My name is Mrs. Johnson. I'm out of here.